with my grandma. Say hi, Gram.
Hi. Hi, guys.
She's a natural. Anyway, so she agreed to do my makeup today. So as you can see, I have nothing on my face except for a few like false lashes that are holding on for dear life. But hopefully you can't see that from where you are. But Gram, can you do my makeup like I'm going to a party?
Yeah, I'll try.
Do you want to do my eyes first or my face?
What eyes? It's not the eyes, it's the... What up? It's a big...
Hala!
Oh, say?
What?
Okay.
Wait! Where, Gram?
Oh, no more.
Okay.
Finally.
Okay, so there's the colors. Or there's this one. Just really natural.
Okay, the natural.
But I'm going to a party!
Now, use the very red one.
Ooh.
How come there is no black?
It's right there, the black.
Oh. I will use the black first in the right here.
Ooh!
And my hand started to dance.
You gotta put more on, Gram. Don't be shy.
It's no good also, very thick.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, how about this one?
Oh.
This one.
What about it?
You don't want me to put another one because...
Yeah, I want another. I'm going to a party!
Because some don't have any.
Oh, we can't have that. Oh! Oh, you're talking about my eyebrows?
Oh! You're supposed to do that?
You're gonna fill in my eyebrows with this? And a black?
Oh,
go ahead. No, okay, go ahead. You do you.
Oh.
Girl, can you try not to make the noises? Sounds like a scary movie. This is a new technique that I might start using. Jumping, huh?
Yeah. Go to the...
Oh.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure there's nothing on your brush anymore.
What?
I think you need to add more. There's nothing on your brush.
Yeah, but you don't have to put very thick in there.
Oh, you're right. You're right. Not too much, huh?
Yeah, because in the side, it is very thick already.
Oh, okay.
I will just use a little because there's already there. Oh. Yeah, that's thick enough.
Ooh! You like it?
Yeah.
What else?
What else you want me to do?
You like that?
Yeah. That's why I don't like to go to any party by putting.
Oh, that's why you stay home?
It's hard because...
Because you're shaking?
Yeah.
Because I'm so beautiful, you're nervous?
Yeah. Ah! Keep up.
Oh, my bad. I'll stay still. I won't talk. The noises.
Oh.
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 What? Do you like it?
Very thick. Okay. My hand is too much dancing. I cannot hold anymore.
Well, you shouldn't have so much whiskey.
Okay.
Oh, you did double. Huh? You got the bottom too. 2 for 1. Yes.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
It's not balanced.
Oh. Balance it.
No, what? Oh.
Grandma! Is it balance?
No.
Oh. Okay, balance, huh?
There is no, it cannot be balanced, guy. You have to take the towel first and then I will put another one.
No, it's okay. You know, it's okay. You mess up, you mess up. Oh my God. It feels about right, Graham. I think you did it. Yeah, it feels right. I'm just kidding. People, I'll be at a party, they won't notice. They're going to be drinking, so they don't know. It's going to be dark in there, you know?
Yeah, but so many people will just go over there and look what is funny.
And
Their eyes, or that's the only thing they are
looking
trying
at.
to find out what is, who is the funniest.
I might win a prize. You never know. For the worst makeup, huh?
Yeah.
Because of her grandmother. Okay, maybe this one will be better, huh?
Probably.
Or probably not.
Or probably worse.
Ooh, and from here it doesn't look too bad. I just have to stand like 100 feet away from everyone.
What is that too much?
You did it. I don't know.
No.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nobody is using makeup anyway, my friend.
You had friends?
I have a lot of friends, but every time we have a dance,
They don't care, huh? They just want to dance.
no, we hide. And then we watch, and then if somebody will come, we have to run. There we are funny.
Why you didn't like to dance?
I don't like to dance.
You just like to watch, huh?
Yeah.
From far away, huh? Like 100 feet? Like me tonight?
Why, is there a dance tonight?
Yes, I told you I'm going to a dance party.
What time?
As soon as my makeup's done.
You better take that out, okay? It bugs me.
You did it, not me.
No, you are the one. That one?
I did not do that.
I did not. I says.
You forgot already?
Yeah.
You did it.
I don't know. Maybe my hand just ran over there and.
Yep.
Oh.
Just like the boys are gonna be running away from me. Oh. That's it? Oh, it looks good from here, Graham. The orange or the red? Or you want natural?
The orange.
Oh, she liking the orange.
It is very orangey.
It's okay, you chose it. I'm going to a party.
Where do you want me to put this?
On my lips. So, how's your day?
What?
Oh, what? Thank you for doing my...
Oh.
Okay. Oh my God.
What color this?
Orange! You chose it!
It's no good, the eye.
Let me zoom in. Wow. Holy crap. Very pretty, huh?
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay.
Honey, you are now ready to go to your party.
Yes.
Have fun.
Thank you, Grandma. I'm just gonna wash off my makeup first, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you're not mad?
Huh?
You're not mad?
Why, mad?
I thought you don't want me to go to the party like this?
You can go.
Oh.
The balance there.
Oh, it's balanced. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, then I'll just go like this then.
Yeah, you go.
Okay. She trying to get me laughed at.
Or party.
It doesn't matter. Okay. Look, say hi. Say thank you, everybody, for watching.
Thank you everybody for watching.
And say please thumbs up the video.
And seems like the video.
Thumbs up the video.
Don't love the video, look the video. Which one is the video?
Grandma, say, and thumbs up the video.
Huh? Thumbs up the video.
And, okay.
Go pretty.
Alright, that's it.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up the video. If you want to see more with Grandma, let me know in the comment section. And I'm telling you, she loves the attention. Okay, so, okay, remember to stay.
I will guarantee you will really change to beautiful.
Ooh! She thinks she's a makeup artist now, so she's trying to get the business too. So let me know in the comments if you want Grandma to do your makeup too, because she says she'll guarantee you turn beautiful. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And remember to always stay bold, beautiful, and blessed.